Welcome to my stupid freaking project. Wait, wait. I think I have. Wait, there, bro. No, I should need one. No. Hate you, hate you guys. Ay, what the hell? Yeah, it's funny, bro. Bro, wait, you saw me video. Welcome to my world. Oh, no, oh, no, bro, you didn't see this. This is not the real. Uh, I'm not that rich. I'm poor, very poor. You, water, normal water, yeah. All right, I'm not that rich. Okay, I don't have a cool banner. All right, what does he have to do? Uh, no, I'm going to die. Wait, bro. Protection. Wait, here's my armor. Protection 4 is not that. Other people will see this, so I will showcase you to other people. This is for my friend, though, and I'm still a kid. Full reveal, right? I don't know if my editing is good, but yeah. Bro, you know why it's diamond? Because it needs for my stupid bad maze. Uh, it's mid. I mean, come on, come on, you stupid. Oh, that was so easy. Dude, I'm going to die at this point. Oh, no, the laggy. Dude. Oh my god. Dang, they be spamming arrows. Yeah, those are my freaking not maxed out means, but almost maxed out, I guess. So I'm so scared now. I'm so scared. Hello, help me, bro. Put me some more space. Oh hell no! By the way, this is my mob farm. Nope, nope, not even a chance. Alright. Ew, grass! Why did I put this here? This is so disgusting. It's grass. You! Disgusting. Bro. Bro, that was so disgusting. Alright, now that it's not so disgusting, still mid, um, the food here is trash. Yeah, alright, I'm gonna eat this. A good thing. Yeah, ew. Man, where are those apples? Alright, by the way, here is my flying oh, hell no, there's a, nope, not, I'm going here fast, bro, faster than you can ever see. Ah, never mind. It's gliding. It's stuck. I hate this. Help me. Oh, hell no. There's a freaking... Bro, why are you stuck here? Dude, I'm getting tortured. Not gonna lie. Torture chamber. I'm gonna go the other way, so... bye when I see you again, I guess. Wait. Transition. Ew, so stinky, bro. Why am I touching wood? Yeah. Nothing. Nothing. Uh, they're pretty go to the middle. It's be yucky. Oh, I guess. All of that is what of that is going to be in the world. Forward, you. That's what you can see. It's not the bottom. Alright, done. I'm gonna go up now. Now. Alright, use sugar. Another rock. Hmm, those are so disgusting. You dirt. You. Alright. Why do they say I'm so rich? I'm so poor. Oh no 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 no. Oh, bro, I thought I was going to the like here, but now no. I'm too hot. And this is lava. And that's food. You see. Nah, this is stupid person. Alright, I'm gonna go to base now. Hope I don't die. Where was it again? Wait, there was. Yeah, here's the. Oh my god, you. I touched Netherlands so much. Man, it's so disgusting. Ew. Ew. Yeah. Oh, right. I'm gonna go to the world. This is my world. I beat the Ender Dragon because this is a literal 1,000-year-old world. Or 1,000 years. No, 2 years. 1,000 days. World. This is my ugly base. It's pretty stupid, my base. This is my base. Pretty stupid, I guess, because it's filled with some English potions. And then this is my armor, which is disgusting. It's poop, the armor. No, it's poop. It's not poop. See? They're all fully enchanted max out. Like, look, they have even. Oh, no, no, no. It's so disgusting. And like this. Why did they say I'm so rich? Black protection. Alright, that's all over here. Yes, all of the what was it called? The enchanted items is there. Let's see. See, some bunny, really bad. There's some bunny. I destroyed this one. I didn't like the black and the oh, these are crusty food, which is cakes, yummy. These are the enchanted PvP items. Crystal, cobweb, breathe for the main. Yeah, and therefore only stack for these. They have space, so they want. Well, I think we have two, no, two cobwebs, one green, and then one of these. Yeah, that's pretty bad. Bye.